Days of the week. How many days are there in week? There are 7 days in week. Watch, listen and speak. Monday, first day of the week. Monday. Tuesday, second day of the week. Tuesday. Wednesday, third day of the week. Wednesday. Thursday, fourth day of the week. Thursday. Friday, fifth day of the week. Friday. Saturday, sixth day of the week. Saturday. Sunday, seventh day of the week. Sunday. Revision: Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. 7 days of the week. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Don't forget to subscribe our channel and press the bell icon. See you next time.